Hi, today I'm going to be telling you about Click Wages. Now, I wish I could show you their actual website, but their websites don't exist anymore, right? They used to have a website with the address of clickwagesai.bus, I think that's what it's called, but it's down and it doesn't exist anymore. And even if you see a clone or the website being up again, here's the thing. This website is a really well-known scam, right? So what's Click Wages? Click Wages is a website where you can earn money, right? You earn money by doing surveys and then clicking on ads. And by doing that, you basically get money, right? And it seems simple, it seems easy, right? You just click on ads, you do survey, and you get a little money for your time. But that sounds too good to be true, right? If it's too good to be true, then why isn't everyone doing it? Why isn't everyone just clicking on ads and why isn't everyone just doing surveys instead of working, right? There has been cases where doing surveys and clicking ads on Click Wages has been successful, as in they get money on their account, right? But the thing after that is that you can't withdraw from their website, right? If I go to Quora here, for example, you'll see that it says that, give me a second. Here, you can see that they never pay out like that, right? There's a lot of reviews here that says that it's a massive scam. So even if you do find the website, even if you do the survey, even if you click on ads and you see the number on your account go up, you won't be able to withdraw it. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.